Welcome back to Markets Today. Well, let's run you through the fourth headline right away. Tata Motors, that missed estimates in the second quarter. The company reported a net loss of around 940 crores with margins as well missing street estimates. Sonia is with us to fill us in with more on that. Sonia?
Well, Tata Motors reported numbers that were well below what the street was estimating. There was a steep loss that the company reported this time around to the tune of 944 crores. Even on the operational front, the numbers were well below what the street was estimating. Both Jaguar Land Rover and the consolidated business saw losses this time around, and the EBITDA for Tata Motors came in at 5,572 crores, which is much less than the poll of 8,330 crores. Even on the margin front, at 7% margins, it was well below the poll of 10.2%. However, the management commentary is on the positive side. The company does say that the demand continues to remain strong. However, it is monitorable in the wake of global uncertainties. There are improving chip supplies and cooling commodity prices that will aid revenues and margin recovery. Hence, they aim to deliver a strong improvement in EBIT and free cash flows in the second half of the year.
Okay, thanks for that, Sonia. Well, the fifth headline today, the Indian rupee ended at a 5-week high against the dollar. This on the back of higher FPI inflows and global dollar weakness as well. The US dollar, the rupee against the US dollar, well, it recovered in trade today. Lata is with us to run us through the day's highlights. Lata.
The rupee closed strong, and that was in concert with most Asian currencies. This is really a story of dollar weakness. The theory in the global markets, financial markets, appears to be that for the moment, all the bad news of the Fed tightening is in the price, and now it's time for to take on risk and bring down your holding in dollar, which is actually a risk aversion asset. It is a safe haven asset. That's not the mood of the market at this point in time. The market is smelling a Santa Claus rally. Of course, all this can change if the US CPI numbers are terrible, or if come December 14th, 15th, the Fed sounds more hawkish than what the market is expecting. But at the moment, the entire grammar is of adding risk, and that's why the safe haven dollar is seeing weakness. The rupee was the second best performing currency in Asia. The Korean won also was pretty strong, but all Asian currencies were strong. For India, the other positives, as you said, were that FPI flows into Indian equity markets has been strong. As well, crude prices have fallen to about $95, and India is one of the biggest importers, so that's again very, very positive. Expectation is that things always swing the other way. So 81.20 is seen as a good support for the dollar, and there are people in the market who believe that 80-something will also be seen.
Okay, all right, Lata, thanks for joining and giving us a quick update on the money market. Well, the insurance regulator is in the process of bringing a new insurance platform, which according to the industry will reduce insurance commissions significantly. This is being viewed as a direct threat to insurance aggregator Policybazaar's business. CNBC-TV18's Yash Jain caught up with the management and put a couple of these questions forth to them. Let's hear out what they had to say to him.
If the commission is significantly lower than what Policybazaar charges, would you consider bringing down your commissions as well on these products sold on your platform? Would you look at that to make it a level playing field to compete on par with something like Bima Sugam?
100%, without a shadow of doubt.
Okay.
Why would, and so would many others. Now, is that an outcome the regulator will wish for? Is a different question.
In that sense, what do we see for the company? A few years of revenue-less operations, margins getting compressed?
Yeah, you're right. You're saying, okay, if it happens, if commissions become zero, will you also do commission zero? Will that mean thousands of crores of losses for you? Yeah, of course. 100%. Right. Why else do we have that 6,000 crores of capital lying around? The point is, I know you want that, and I know you want that fun, but the point is the world is not going there.
Interesting chat there. Well, on that note, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Markets Today. Thanks so much for watching.